Check engine light on. Are you seeing a P0463 code and worried about a massive repair bill? Before you replace your fuel pump and spend anywhere from $300 to $900, try this simple, effective DIY fix that costs around $11.50 and takes only a few minutes to perform. Let's get it fixed. If you're dealing with a P0463 error code, this video will show you a practical, at-home solution to fix it. First, use your Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0463 code. The P0463 code indicates that your fuel level sensor is malfunctioning and failing to provide accurate fuel level readings to the vehicle's computer. Here is a simple, effective DIY method you can try to resolve this. Method A. The fuel level sensor. The fuel level sensor is typically located inside the fuel tank, often mounted directly on or attached to the fuel pump assembly carrier bracket. First, carefully remove the fuel level sensor from your vehicle. Visually inspect the float, sliding contact, wires, and electrical connections for any signs of damage. Then, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test. You should see a clear difference in resistance readings when the sensor is in the empty position versus the full position. Consult your owner's manual to find the manufacturer's specified resistance range. If your multimeter readings do not match those standards, the fuel level sensor is faulty and should be replaced. Once the repair is finished, the most practical way to clear the P0463 error code is to use the Zeus app to clear the fault from your vehicle's computer. Afterward, tap the rescan button once more to confirm that the system is reading correctly and that your vehicle is back in perfect working order. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm uploading more quick DIY engine code fixes every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.